Hi guys, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi A1 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers of this device. At first, open your phone dealer. This is the first method. Go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got the whole device information along with IMEI and serial numbers. To exit, just tap on OK. Now you can also find those numbers via settings. To do it, just reach settings, go to about phone, and here you will be able to read both IMEI numbers, and then serial number is located under model. So just click on model and here you've got your serial number. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.